Are you struggling to publish your HTML report in Jenkins? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many Jenkins users face when trying to publish reports from their pipeline. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your build process doesn't work as expected. You put in all that effort, and then you hit a roadblock. It's a common scenario, and we're here to help you through it. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user is trying to publish an HTML report generated by a Maven clean install. The report is located in a directory that changes with each run. They are using the Publish HTML Report plugin in their Jenkins pipeline, but are encountering an error. The error message states that the specified HTML directory does not exist. This can happen if the path is incorrect or if the report hasn't been generated yet. Let's break down the steps to troubleshoot this issue. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix this issue and ensure your reports are published correctly every time. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the report directory is correctly specified in the Jenkins pipeline script. The user should replace the wildcard character in the report directory path. Next, the user should ensure that the report files are correctly specified. Instead of using a wildcard for the report files, they should directly reference the expected file name. Now, the user should verify that the HTML report is being generated successfully before the publish step. They can do this by checking the workspace directory after the build completes. Finally, the user should run the Jenkins job again after making these changes. This will help confirm if the issue has been resolved and the HTML report is published successfully. Fun fact, did you know that Jenkins was originally developed as a fork of the Hudson project? It's come a long way since then, helping developers automate their builds and deployments. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves using a stage for running tests with Gradle. They suggest defining a list of module names and iterating through each one to publish HTML reports for each module's test results. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach shared by another user involves consolidating multiple test reports into one final report using the Publish HTML plugin in Jenkins. They execute tests in separate stages, each tagged differently to avoid conflicts. After running the tests, they publish a single report that includes all results with different tabs for each execution. Here's a pro tip. Always validate your paths and file names in Jenkins. A small typo can lead to big headaches, so double-checking can save you time and frustration. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to publish your HTML reports successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Jenkins and other tech topics.